Ooh, they smell good. Yup. Oh, I got a hash brown as well. I'm gonna be editing what I can edit so that I don't have to do too much on the weekend because school is gonna be starting next week. I'm gonna be editing, so it's currently 2. I'm gonna be cooking at probably around 5. Okay, do I look sweaty? I do look sweaty. Oh my god. Anyway, continuing. I bought this. It's low calorie prebiotics. No idea what it is. But it sounded yummy. It's kombucha, mango, and guava. And it's like powder that you mix with water. This, surprisingly good. I got some seaweed. Yeah. I got gochujang hot pepper bean paste. I'm gonna use this for the fried rice I'm gonna make later. I got a shit ton of these because I fucking love them and I have drink ideas. Like, for example, I got this chocolate. Yummy. I'm thinking of pairing these two together. I'm gonna cook now. I'm sweating my ass off. Oh, is that bald? Y'all seeing nothing, okay? You don't see anything. That did not happen. I want to try the cauliflower rice people make because it seems really nice. What they said about the cauliflower rice is that you like... Sorry, I should come to the camera when I speak. What they do with the cauliflower rice is they chop it into fine bits and then they... Sorry. And then they blend it. Bro, this is taking way longer. I'm just prepping things and it's taking like so long. Time for the spam. This is the vegan one. Smells fucking good. I'm so fucking hungry. I'm gonna add some of this. It's like chili paste and it's really good. I had it multiple times with my mom. Hell yeah, bitch. Hell yeah. I'm gonna bring it over and then we're gonna make the drink. Hi y'all. Food fucking delicious. Are you fucking shitting me? I'm gonna send my mom a photo. Look. Ooh! I made this? Oh. Oh my god. Anyway. I'm gonna pour it in. Ooh! That was a plop, alright? It got kind of messy. Sorry, I'm too proud of myself right now. Oh my god. Wanna know why this is such an achievement for me? Because I don't cook for shit. I'm gonna warm it up in the microwave, so I don't know if it's gonna be the same taste, but it's so good. Oh my god. It's so much better warm. Bam! I'm gonna enjoy some of the chocolate and the seaweed.
I mentioned that to anybody, but I am in fact in Korea. But as an American, I take that back completely. But the McDonald's wasn't that bad. It was clean, it was a bit crowded, but the order came out quickly. Capitalism is delicious. You wouldn't understand if you don't have money. Anyway, this is the cornerstone. I'm expecting a burger that's more surprising than the addition of anything. Not here. So, I will do without, and I will make do with the last thing on the lid.
Yup. I like. Hell yeah. Okay. This is in name of 2025 being the year of the snake. Yeah. You can't even see my thumbs up. Yeah. Converse. I love Converse. I bought some protein stuff for tomorrow. Okay, so I've decided I wanted to come home earlier and maybe not go to the cafe because it is raining. While I have nothing against it being rainy. Okay, I don't have anything against the rain, but I just thought, you know. Anyway, I bought some protein stuff. Black soybean milk, plant-based protein, and they all have 9 grams of protein. I'm trying to eat more protein. Oh, also this Greek yogurt with 8 grams of protein. And it's... Ooh, damn, that's good. Oh wait, 11 grams. Anyway, I'm gonna be studying. Like studying. Oh my god, I need to study math. I need to study math. Okay, I'm gonna be studying math. I'm gonna be studying math. I don't know where to add the triangles, but I know the shoes. That's pretty obvious. I really don't get the triangles. What are the triangles? Hello? I'm bored. I wanna walk. I could be using the camera. Why am I using my phone? Anyway, I'm bored. I wanna walk, but I don't wanna go outside. So I'm gonna go to the gym. Whoa!